Welcome to Travel Thai. Today I'm gonna present you about Erawan Waterfall. Erawan Waterfall in Thai, น้ำตกเอราวัณ is one of the most beautiful waterfall in Thailand. Located in Kanchanaburi province, Erawan has 7 separate tiers and is part of Erawan National Park. The entire length of 7 tiers, approximately about 1,500 meters high, through the thick rainforest of the park. Each of the steps has its own name. The first waterfall, named ไหลคืนรัง It's easy for you to get there on a flat trail, directly from the visitor center car park. The highlight of this first waterfall is the great number of fish swimming in the pond formed by the smooth limestone scrubbed by the water. The trail gets steeper as it carries on to the next tier. วังมัจฉา which is usually busier with swimmers, is very scenic as there are small caves under the falls. Another height of about 50 meters takes you to the third tier, called ผาน้ำตก This tier is taller than the 2 first four, about 20 meters high, and offers a large pond filled with fish, at which you can refresh yourself. อกผีเสื้อ and เบื่อไม่ลง are the 4th and 5th steps of Erawan Waterfall. They feature small cascades and ponds surrounded by rock formation and dense vegetation. The trail gets rural after the 5th tier, and you have to use wriggly ladder and rope to progress through an even thicker lush vegetation, named ดงพฤกษา The 6th tier is another multi-tier cascade featuring a wide plunge at the foot. It takes some more effort to reach the 7th tier of Erawan Waterfall, as the last stretch of trail is particularly challenging, called ภูผาเอราวัณ This last fall features the 3 steps that give their name to Erawan Waterfall. In fact, Erawan is the name of a three-headed Hindu god. It really takes 3 hours to explore the total length of the fall and see the 7th tier. Don't forget to bring mosquito repellent, water, and snack, as the hike is rather physically demanding, especially the final tier. The trail is pretty well marked and easy to follow until the 5th tier. Only and the last 2 of them are slightly thicker to get to. Erawan National Park is open every day from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. and entrance fee for foreigners of 400 baht per adult and 200 baht per student. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.